we're going to learn how to edit the template of WP funnel landing pages. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to edit the template in Gutenberg. Click on the pencil icon. Then on the template section on the right side, you will see the name of the template and you can create a new template. Give it a name. Click on create and you will have a blank canvas that you can edit. So you can see that I don't have any header or footer on the template at this moment, but if you want you can add a header from the patterns section. So this is how you add a header on your template, but if it's already there and you don't want it, then you just click the header section, click the three dots and click on delete to remove it. Then hit save and you can already see that where this template is going to work. So you just confirm and save. Now if you go to the edit section again, you can see that your new template is assigned for the landing page. If you want to use another template or make another modification, that's not possible. You have to switch back to the default template again, and then you will be able to create another template or switch back to another template if you want. So when you click on change template again, you're going to see the multiple templates that you have and select from there.